Welcome to SwiftCoin. In this video, we will show you how to deposit USDT into SwiftCoin wallet on SwiftCoin app. Before you start trading with SwiftCoin bot, you need to deposit some USDT into your SwiftCoin wallet. USDT is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar. We will continue to use Binance as an example here. To deposit USDT into your SwiftCoin wallet, you need to follow these steps. Go to your Binance app and click on the wallet's icon and select Spot. Under your Spot wallet, click Withdraw. Select USDT from the coin list. To withdraw, select the Send via Crypto Network option. Fill out all the required entry fields, such as the amount and the network. Go to SwiftCoin app on your device and click on the wallet icon. Deposit USDT into SwiftCoin wallet. Deposit 5100 USDT for necessary charges. Copy the wallet address that is shown on the screen. On Binance, input the wallet address that you copied from SwiftCoin. Choose the network that you want to use for the crypto transfer. In this case, we will demonstrate with Tron TRC20. Make sure that the network you choose matches the network you selected on SwiftCoin. Enter the amount that you want to transfer to SwiftCoin wallet. Under Send From, select Spot and Funding Wallet. Verify the amount that you are transferring and click on Confirm. Click on Withdrawal to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation email from Binance. You will also receive a notification from SwiftCoin that your deposit has been received. You will see the amount that you sent on your SwiftCoin wallet. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy trading.